Did you know that one of the most popular shopping and dining venues in New York City was once a biscuit factory? That's right. The Chelsea Market, a bustling hub of food vendors, boutique shops, and office spaces, was originally the National Biscuit Company or Nabisco factory complex in the 1890s. Over time, it has transformed into a mixed-use development that attracts 6 million visitors annually, all while preserving its historic charm with exposed brick walls and industrial ceilings. But how did this transformation happen, and what makes Chelsea Market so special? In the 1890s, the building that now houses Chelsea Market was a bustling biscuit factory. But by 1997, it had become something entirely different. This transformation was no ordinary feat. The original National Biscuit Company, or Nabisco factory complex, was carefully renovated, preserving its historic architecture. Exposed brick walls and industrial ceilings still give a nod to its past, while housing a vibrant and eclectic mix of tenants. The ground floor, once a production line for biscuits, is now a foodie's paradise. From fresh seafood to artisanal cheeses, handcrafted chocolates to exotic spices, the variety of food vendors is as diverse as the city itself. But it's not just about food. Boutique shops, art galleries, and other unique retail stores fill the nooks and crannies of this urban market, providing a shopping experience that's as rich as its history. But let's not forget about the upper floors. Once the administrative heart of Nabisco, these spaces have been transformed into modern offices. Today, they're home to notable companies like Oxygen Network, Food Network, MLB.com, EMI Music Publishing, and NY1. In 2018, tech giant Google also joined the fray, purchasing the building and taking up several floors. From biscuits to boutiques and factories to Food Network, Chelsea Market has seen it all. But what can you expect when you visit today? Today, Chelsea Market is more than just a shopping and dining destination. It's a testament to the city's ability to reinvent itself. As you wander through its labyrinthine corridors, you're met with an abundance of culinary delights. From gourmet restaurants serving up international cuisine to bustling food stalls offering bite-sized street food, there's a mouth-watering array of options to choose from. But it's not just about food. Chelsea Market is also home to a vibrant mix of boutique shops and art galleries, each adding their own unique flair to the market's eclectic charm. Whether you're hunting for a one-off fashion piece or admiring the work of local artists, there's always something new to discover. Each year, the market attracts visitors from every corner of the globe, drawn by its distinctive combination of historic architecture and modern amenities. The exposed brick walls and industrial ceilings serve as a constant reminder of the market's rich history, while the presence of companies like Google on the upper floors symbolizes its place in the present. Chelsea Market is a unique blend of history, culture, and cuisine, offering something for everyone. So, there you have it, the fascinating story of Chelsea Market. From its humble origins as the National Biscuit Company factory in the late 19th century, to its transformation into a bustling hub of culinary delights and creative businesses. A testament to the vibrant spirit of Manhattan. If you enjoyed this journey through Chelsea Market's history and want to learn more